Joe from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a Renault Captur here on a 2015 plate. Just done the MOT on this and the service, even though the service wasn't due, but I still did it. I'm just going to show you how to reset it and how to see what services are due. So all I've got to do first is switch the slot the card in. The ignition is on now. As you can see, that the spanner light's gone now, but the spanner light there was, that would be in service, but you can see there, service due in 10 days. What I need to now do is play with these buttons right here. So if I go up, go on to service due, press and hold the button for 10 seconds. That didn't do it. So what I do, I'll go back, scroll back, back again, back again, back again, back again, back again. Onto service intervals, I'll press and hold this button. Right, you can see service in 15,000 miles or 1 month. And then if I click the same button, it says service in 13 months. So what I need to now do is reset the service light. So I'll press and hold this button for 10 seconds. It's flashing now. So the month is changed to 12 months now. So I let go of the button, press it again, and I'll change this as well. Get it done at the same time. Press hold of it for 10 seconds. That's now 24 months and 18,000 miles. All I now do is switch the ignition off, take the keys out, slot the keys back in, switch the ignition on. Now the service light is not coming on as well. So if I go up, no messages, memorize. So if I keep going, learning the tire pressures, service intervals and everything else. Service intervals, press and hold a button just to make sure it's all done. Now service in 12 months, 18,000 miles, and oil change in 24 months, 18,000 miles. That's it. Switch ignition off, take the keys out. That's all done. This is a Renault Captur on a 15 plate. If there is anything else you need to know, do check out the playlist for Renault. And we've got a playlist for service as well, service resets. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.